Next story, The Witch Circe. The directions are pretty simple for this one. I'm not requiring any annotations at all. I just like for you to read the story and enjoy it. So it's a nice short excerpt. And we're going to continue practicing dialogue for The Witch Circe after you read the story. What I'd like for you to do is to add to a scene from The Witch Circe, a scene that doesn't currently have any dialogue. So here are your options. The first one. The suspicious and curious sailors open the bag containing the stormy winds that King Aeolus captures for Odysseus, sending them back where they came from instead of propelling them home. Option 2. Odysseus's men approach Circe's cave and see the animals. Option 3. Eurylochus runs to warn Odysseus of the men's fate. Final option. Odysseus confronts Circe to release his men. Below is a sample of Odysseus confronts Circe to release his men, using all the dialogue rules that you practiced in the previous lesson. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the option that you're choosing to create the dialogue for, and you're going to simply type in your dialogue here, having at least 8 exchanges. An exchange would be a back and forth discussion between the characters. Use appropriate dialogue tags, commas, and proper rules for writing dialogue. Also, make sure you include multiple characters in this dialogue. And again, we're practicing this because you are required to include dialogue in your narrative essay.